Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula. Advanced Mitochondrial Formula, a supplement that promises to boost your energy. But does it really work? I will tell you the pros, cons and my experience with it. Stay with me until the end. Before I talk about the supplement, let me quickly explain what mitochondria are. They are like small power plants inside our cells and responsible for producing the energy our body needs to function. When they are healthy, we feel more energetic, with better cognition and physical endurance. However, over time stress and aging can cause them to lose efficiency. And that's where supplements like Advanced Mitochondrial Formula come into play. Now that you know the importance of mitochondria, what is Advanced Mitochondrial Formula? This supplement was created to optimize mitochondrial function, providing more energy and helping with healthy aging. It has a combination of scientifically studied nutrients that help cells produce energy. It's designed to support your mitochondria, the energy centers of your cells, with ingredients like CoQ10, PQQ, and acetyl L-carnitine. People use it to increase energy, improve mental focus, and support healthy aging. Some say it helps reduce fatigue and brain fog too. Users say, "I felt more energized in 2 weeks, and it really helped my mental clarity." But a few did mention mild side effects like an upset stomach.